Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. Today we will do chapter 3, Tine and the Faraway Mountain. We will continue in this chapter. But women were not allowed to be potters in those days. See, in the last video we have talked about that Tine has applied for a potter job, but that time women were not allowed to do all these kind of things, all these because of the safety issue. Women were not allowed to do all these things, these heavy to carry heavy loads. Tine did not let that stop her. She dressed as a boy and started to work, carrying nearly 25 kilos of luggage every day. But because Tine was really passionate about the mountains, so what she did, she dressed as a boy and started that job. She started carrying almost 25 kilos luggage, 25 kilo luggage every day. A whole week passed before everyone realized that she was a girl disguised as a boy. Now whole week happened, and no one was able to identify that this is not a boy, this is a girl. The officer scolded Tine for breaking the rules. Now one day one of the officers found out that she is the girl. Now she scolded her. Now the officers, he scolded her, but they knew that Tine knew the route better than anyone else, so they allowed her to continue working. But they know that Tine has a she knows very well the route, she knows very well the way to the mountains, so this time I will allow her to continue the work. Her act would later help lift the ban on female porters. Maybe if she works hard, maybe because of when everybody will see that the girl also can do the this kind of a job, so maybe the ban, let's see the meaning, a law that does not allow people to do something, so the ban for girls will over because of Tine. In the army, Tine worked on many expeditions and soon became a coordinator. Now, after that, for army, Tine had done so many expeditions for these kind of work. Whenever anyone goes to the mountains, she used to help them, and now she became a coordinator. Now, coordinator means someone who plans trips in the mountains. Now finally she became a coordinator, means she used to plan trips, right, for mountains. Now it was one of her expeditions as a coordinator that she met Dr. Romeo Mitai. Now when one day she met, when she was doing her coordinator job, so she met Dr. Romeo Mitai. At that time, Dr. Mitai was working to promote adventure sports. Now, Dr. Mitai was, was working to promote these sports, adventure sports. Now, adventure sports means exciting sports like mountaineering, whitewater rafting, and so on. So, maybe you have heard ki in those mountains area, adventure sports are very popular, these sports, so he was doing all the jobs to promoting these kinds of sports in Arunachal Pradesh and immediately identified Tine's talent. You are a naturally gifted climber. Now he said, means now he identified that this girl is very talented, she has a passion to for the mountains, so she so now doctor said ki you are naturally gifted climber, means you are very talented climber. He told her, you have a strength and the determination, now all you need is technique. So now doctor said that Tine, you are very passionate, you are talented, and you have strength to do all these things, you have determination. Now determination means a strong desire means wish, strong desire to do something, strong wish to do something. But all you need is technique means you need just some technique, you need really special person so that anyone can guide you. But Tine did not know the name of the Dr. Mitai became Tine's mentor and she began her training as a mountain climber. The distant mountain still called her. Now, mentor means a person who helps, teaches, and advises someone regularly. Now, Dr. Mitai has become mentor. Mentor means skilled person, skilled person who help others, right? Who help others in the same skill. So he has become the mentor means now the doctor used to guide Tine that how you have to go for training, how you have to do the mountain climbing. The distant mountains still called her. Now distant mountains means previously she was going छोटे mountains को she used to cover, but now her goal was मुझे बड़े बड़े mountains जो है Mount Everest, that I have to cover, that I have to climb now. But Tine did not know the name of the distant mountains till she watched The Race of Everest, a film about the first climb of Mount Everest. Now what happened? She watched this movie called The Race for Everest. Now this movie is about the first climber of Mount Everest. Now Mount Everest is the highest Mount Everest. So because of that movie, she was like wushu became a role now, and climbing Mount Everest became her dream. So she was like I will also climb this Mount Everest.